and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we are going to show you how to initiate a rotating Colgada, how to initiate and how to finish, actually.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to the video. Alright, we are going to start up showing you what Colgada we are going to be doing. Side, one, preparing, rotation, one, half turn only. We could do more, and side to feet together. Yes, this is just one example. Of course, we can rotate many turns or do it with different legs. So
it's good to work on the technique when you do it this way. So at first, we do a side step. Get the connection, very important. Then I feel like a little pivot and the leg to expand, to extend the leg. I'm extending the left, pulling a lot from my left leg only and holding the position. When he moves, I'm pivoting on my right foot until the end. At the very end, I go back to axis before walking front, in this case, side and feet together.
yes. So now, things to keep in mind when we are doing this, sorry, one more time, is that leader, to prepare the movement, she has to know that a Colgada is coming. How we do this is by lifting, raising the position of her rib cage and ours to tell her, okay, we are going to move your leg. This is the first point. So we have one here. Tack, we can rotate, and this leg, her left leg, is free of weight. She knows that whatever we do, for example, I'm moving her apart from me, she will be hanging because I'm holding her up. Now, second point, I will, just to show you this, I will slide my hand to the shoulder blade. This is optional. Now, second point that we should know is that we initiate first the movement without the leader going. So we have momentum. Once we have the momentum, then we can follow that momentum. And at the end, third thing, raising, bringing her towards you, and then we can walk out. We cannot step back if she didn't reach the center yet.
Very important. To follow that, let me show you followers something. That we should know we going together. This is a close embrace. I feel the pivot in close embrace. When I feel the separation, he's creating a little space to go for the Colgada. I keep the energy of the elbows and the shoulders back. I'm pulling from the leg, but not moving the head. It's only keeping the frame. During the turn, I keep that position. At the end, I try not to rush, not to collect the leg. Opposite, I will pull more on the back until I feel the leg to center first, feet together, collect, and then move the leg to walk naturally on the next step. What we have to avoid is at the very end, when they finish trying to go, oh, okay, from here. Now, see, this is very common. This is very ugly, but very common to see pulling and, okay, I go to the next by myself. Try to collect first, breathe together, and then move to the next point.
The same thing happens for the leaders. When you finish a Colgada, a rotating Colgada, for example, in this case, try to show her that she has the time to fit together. That is very important. I will do it wrong for a second. If we are rotating and then all from the circle you try to walk, it's very uncomfortable for her and she doesn't look very well. So show her that you finish the momentum and you raise her in order to fit together.
We have a lot of students coming complaining about the Colgada, volcada technique that they used to do because they hurt their lower back.
Yes.
So be sure to do this with technique, learn the right technique so you can protect your body.
And every time you do a Colgada, expand. Expand, never push into the Colgada.
Let's show you one more time. So through the move, you can see all the technique we were doing from the very beginning.
I will rotate a little extra in this case.
So pay attention on the pivot, the expansion. Keep the leg out until the very last move. Collect feet together, and then we walk out to the next move.